Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Here is Dr. Afan Riaz from Innovative Agriculture. Viewers, today I want to discuss the role of soil conditioner in all the crops like rice, like maize, like sugarcane and other cereals. Here, now what is soil conditioning? Soil conditioning is actually the treatment of soil in which it makes sure to provide all the available nutrients to that particular crop. First question is that we are providing these nutrients, that will be phosphorus, potash and urea, nitrogen. And second is that whether they are available to plant or not. The conditioning mean we treat such a treatment to the soil that it may pulverize it, it may condition it, its pH may be about to neutralize, not neutral, about, because there is strong buffer action keep it clear. The pH high and low both are a barrier in the availability of nutrients, the availability of provision of that nutrients to the plants. The first thing that pulverize the soil, that is phosphoric acid. Very important element and provides the soil heavy. The second is humic acid, then is sulfur, then all the micronutrients, they all are soil conditioners. Macronutrients are not soil conditioners, all the micronutrients. One macronutrient, that is potash, that also act as soil conditioners time when you apply it in the seedbed. It may make sure the availability of all the other nutrients in synergetic effect. So phosphoric acid, sulfur, humic acid, magnesium sulfate, boron and potash, they are actually the soil conditioner which provide all the nutrients in the soil to the plant for its maximum bumper cross production. So keep it clear, make its use in early stage, because in this early stage plant the crop manage that how much yield it's about to give to you. Now if that is not availability of that abundant fertilizers we are applying, then there will be no production of that particular crop. So apply the soil conditioner in early stages so that its availability may be far better than it was in previous times. Allah Hafiz.